Hello everyone, today we will show you how to turn off or reset your maintenance light on your dash. So that's 2016 Scion TC. You need to put your ignition to on. All lights will turn off, then turn on, then will turn off. Then you're gonna have that maintenance required light on. I did my oil change. So first of all, you want to move your trip here to trip A, and I usually like to reset it after I do my oil change. So now you're gonna have to turn the car back off, and you're gonna need to keep pushing on that button here that you change the trip with. Keep pushing it and put the car to on again. And now we're gonna see like these dots in the dash that will go down all the way and now to zeros, and now your maintenance light is not on anymore. That's how you reset your maintenance light when you do your oil change on 2016 Scion TC. Thank you so much guys for the watching, and I hope that video is helping you. Please thumb up, like, subscribe. Have a great day.